Okay, so today we're still graphing with a table, except last time the equation said y equals, but now there's going to be a coefficient. So you see this 2, we're going to have to get rid of it. Okay, so our first step, we're going to have to solve for y. That means get y by itself. And we're going to have two options, okay? So you're going to divide. Oh, sorry, it should say dividing. By dividing, that's if it's a whole number or an integer like this. Or if it's a fraction, you're actually going to multiply by the reciprocal. So solve for y by dividing or multiplying, by the reciprocal if it's a fraction. Okay, so for this problem, since it's not a fraction, I'm going to write it down here again. 2y equals 6x minus 8. I want this to just be y equals, not 2y. So I need to get rid of the 2. So I'm going to divide every term by 2. So now I have y equals 6 divided by 2 is 3. Bring down your x, minus 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this is what I'm graphing. Y equals 3x minus 4. We did this yesterday. Now we use the notes that we learned. We fill in our table. This is x, this is y. In the middle is the expression, not the equation, right? Just everything after the equal sign. 3x minus 4. And then we pick our x values. Remember which ones we're going to use so that our points are the same. 0, 1, and 2. So now we're going to fill this in, but instead of x, we're going to put these numbers in its place. So we're going to use parentheses first. So 3 parentheses minus 4. What number are we substituting for x? 0. 0 times anything is 0. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. Our first ordered pair, when x is 0, y is negative 4. Second ordered pair, 3 parentheses minus 4. This time we plug in a 1 for x. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Our second ordered pair, when x is 1, y is negative 1. Our last ordered pair, 3 parentheses minus 4, we substitute a 2 for the x. 6 minus 4 is 2. Our last ordered pair is 2, 2. Next slide, we're going to graph it. All right, so let's get this graphed. So we have the point 0, negative 4. We start at the origin and we go down 4. 1, negative 1. We start at the origin, we go 1 to the right. Oops, sorry. We start at the origin, we go 1 right and 1 down. And then we go 2 to the right and 2 up. So here is our line. Use the line function. Make sure it's long and add arrows. This is a positive sloping line because it's going up and right. This is a positive slope. That's it. For the example, I'm going to show you one that has a fraction. Then you'll be ready to practice your 4 practice problems on your own.